In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Notepad file to PDF. Converting a simple text file like a Notepad document into a PDF is a task that can be handy for sharing or preserving formatting. We will explore two methods today, one using Windows built-in features and another using an online converter. Let's start with the Windows method. First, open your Notepad file. This is your .txt document, the starting point for our conversion. Once you have your file open, navigate to the top left of your screen and click on File. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Print. Alternatively, you can simply press Ctrl and P on your keyboard. This shortcut is a quick way to open the Print dialog box. In the Print dialog box, you'll see a list of printers. Look for Microsoft Print to PDF and select it. This option is built into Windows and allows you to save your document as a PDF instead of sending it to a physical printer. It's important because it ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices and software. After selecting Microsoft Print to PDF, click the Print button. Don't worry, you won't actually be printing anything. Instead, you will be prompted to choose a location to save your new PDF file. Select a folder on your computer where you want the PDF to be stored. Once you've picked your save location, click Save. This action finalizes the conversion and ensures that your Notepad file is now a PDF. You can open this PDF file with any PDF reader to verify the content. Now let's move on to the second method, which is using an online converter. This method is particularly useful if you're on a device that doesn't support the print to PDF feature or if you prefer a quicker approach. First, open your web browser and go to a reliable website like SmallPDF, SodaPDF, or FreeConvert. These websites offer easy-to-use tools for converting files into different formats. Once on the site, look for the option to upload your file. Click on it to start the process. Upload your TXT file by selecting it from your device's storage. The website will guide you through the steps, making it a straightforward process. Uploading might take a few seconds depending on your internet speed and file size. Once your file is uploaded, look for the Convert to PDF button. Click it to begin the conversion. The website will handle the conversion, which usually takes just a moment. After the conversion is complete, you'll see an option to download your new PDF file. Go ahead and click Download to save the PDF to your device. This step ensures that you have a copy of your file in the desired format. Both methods are effective, but the choice depends on your preference and the resources available to you. Using the Windows method provides a built-in solution without needing an internet connection. On the other hand, the online converter is fast and accessible from any device with internet access, making it versatile and convenient. With these tools in hand, converting your Notepad files to PDF is a breeze. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in managing your documents more efficiently.